Hello class, welcome to the Clarified Better Academy. In this video we will learn about material safety data sheet and its importance. We learn to use the sanitizer in kitchen. Now sanitizer, while useful, if not used properly, can be dangerous. Material Safety Data Sheet, or MSDS, is a document that will tell you all about the chemical being used. It will also tell you what to do in an emergency in case of a chemical spill or someone accidentally drinks it or splashes it in the eyes.
Drink chemical. Why will someone do that?
Yes, some chemicals may look like water and will not have any smell or color. If by mistake you transfer it to a water bottle, there can be an accident.
So an MSDS sheet is a very important document. Should it be kept in every kitchen?
Yes, it is important to keep the MSDS sheets updated and available in every kitchen. Also make sure that if you bring in a new chemical, you have the appropriate MSDS available.
So chef, the MSDS is very important to ensure our safety while working with chemicals in the kitchen. So we have to make sure that it is updated and we know where it is kept.
Absolutely, Jay. You are correct. Before you go, did you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to receive the notification? If not, do it, go ahead and press it. And do keep visiting clarifiedbetter.com to keep learning.